military. Sorry, I don't know what that was.
If somebody's legs are broken, right, and they're also lobotomized, it's a pretty easy fight. I just pick up like a plant pot or something and
Dead Rising! You pick up plant pots.
Yeah. Or a handgun. Security guard.
We're gonna miss this quest. I'm trying to go as fast as I can. Oh, get off! This is a really useful. It died. The quest is gone. Shetty. Oh! Look at this! Look at this.
Oh yeah.
What? Nice.
Ow!
What are you shooting?
Sorry. Watch it. Ow! My bad.
Ow!
Careful. Damn it!
What are you shooting at? Ow!
What are you doing?
Why is there a microwave in here? Why is there a microwave?
What is this room? Where the fuck are we?
Why is there a microwave in here?
Oh, it's a sex toy store.
Why is there a microwave?
Wait, no, it's not. Those are flip-flops.
Why are there? What the fuck is this place?
Hey!
Ow!
Over.
I just put flip-flops on again. I'm tying my flip laces. What was that?
Real
That
smooth.
really fucking hurt. Who is this? There's a dead lady here. Oh, key.
Well, what have we got here?
I need food now. Thanks a lot. Whoa,
Here's
that
how
looks
to do
good.
the- Thanks.
Wow.
Nice.
Now we're ready to go to the gay bar. Oh. Aiden?
Yeah? What's wrong?
I just went in for a peep show. I got a peeping Tom bonus. This place will have food. Oh, this is a fucking bandit store. Do you have much money, Aiden?
I got $52,650.
I got almost 400 grand. I just bought 2 Zombricks. What was that?
Zombies. What you nickel and diming me here?
Oh, look, car. 2.5 million. It's not the worst fucking outfit ever. I'm gonna die! And there's sushi in here, if you wanna eat.
I don't like Mexican food.
No, it's not Mexican, it's jalapeno.
Oh, okay.
Stock up your inventory with some good stuff. Ow, what the?
Do that again. My bad.
Kill zombies, brr. Oh, my ass is out. I didn't even realize this whole time. Oh, God.
Randall,
Jack's here.
son. I think you should reconsider.
Randy! Father? Call me Randy. Get on with it!
Do you, Randy, take this woman?
I do, Father. I do. Oh. Don't worry, honey. The other ones didn't mean anything to me. Just remember to say I do. You wanted me to wait until I was married? Well, I'm not waiting anymore. Oh, I knew I wouldn't die a virgin. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait. Cut to the end, Dad. Cut to the end. Cut to the end.
If anyone knows of any reason why these two should not be joined in union, speak now or forever hold your... Oh, thank God! Help us! Help us!
Idiot.
You're trying to ruin the happiest day of our lives?
Okay, say nothing,
to fight.
asshole. Oh, he's coming for me. Go away.
Oh no! Aiden, I need some help, please.
I got some beer if you want it.
Yes, sure.
Here you go.
Thanks.
No problem.
Ah, dick. Aiden, please. Like, stab him or something.
I don't have a weapon. Ow. See, that's what happens when I try to help. I get hurt.
It's fine, it's fine. He missed?
That was stupid. He missed again.
Oh, we got this guy actually, he's half out.
Yeah, this guy's easy.
I'm gonna die, I'm gonna fucking die, please. Aiden, please.
Here's some beer.
Aiden.
There's some beer on the floor.
Aiden, please.
Drink it. Watch out.
Great, I'm puking now.
What, did you drink too much beer?
Yes.
That's what
Kill
you get.
him.
Alcoholic.
Fucking kill him, please. Good work. See? Killing is fun. I couldn't
That's
even finish
not
my
violent.
fucking snack. I don't have any food. Wait, yes I do. Oh. I'm actually gonna die.
Oh, I don't want that.
That's the only thing left in here.
It's disgusting. What? No, stop puking. Oh, I'm alive. Cool.
I'm dead.
Oh, I got a mask. Nice.
I'm dead. Chuck, I need food.
I'm sick.
We'll go outside, run outside, maybe there's food outside.
It's cold out here.
That's fine, that's fine.
I'm dead.
We lost. Or we'll get it the second time. If it's not
Yeah.
a 1v1.
Well, it's kind of unfair if we both fight him.
Who cares? Nice hits. Ow. Ow! What the hell? I'm getting stun locked.
There's a woman in the underground, and a few teenagers are shooting at her.
I'm running. Find food, Ed. You're gonna die.
I got food.
Oh. Oh yeah, you got beer. You donut beer. That does so much damage.
Ouch.
Ed, you keep me busy for a moment. I gotta go find food. Find a snack. What the fuck? Where is he? I went outside. There's no food anywhere.
I've got food.
Oh. Oh, where is he? Where is he? What's going on?
He hit me through a fucking wall.
Aiden, we can't be anywhere near each other. One hit and we're gone. Oh, nice, you got him. Good fucking job.
I couldn't get any good photos in that fight.
Oh yeah, probably wiped all your photos. That's fine. Couldn't have done it without you.
Baby, we could have been so good together. Our wedding night would have been so...
Me and Pomni. What happened? Are you okay?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you like choked. What'd he say?
You may now feed the bride. That's the only
Sucks.
thing he said in that entire
Why
situation.
did you get a full heal? Where's my heal?
Okay, watch this. Oh,
Hey, be careful.
I was
You got
literally
killed.
full healing and you fucking cancelled it.
well, I was gonna... Stop! My plan was I'd hit you and then give you the beer because you heal more when you're down.
Beer.
I had good
Oh, I
intentions.
scared the shit out of her. Oh. Oh, this chase is good. Oh, queen, queen, queen. Nice, I killed like 500 of them. Ugh.
What the fuck is this? This is green stuff.
It comes out of them when you kill them with the queen. I think it's their like brain worms or something. Judo throw? You don't want to do that.
So true.
She's fighting. 900 zombies killed. Take this fucking sledgehammer, you idiot. You're gonna die. How do I direct someone? Shit, I just threw my hammer. Drink this orange juice, you absolute idiot.
Hey, keep up.
You just rode through all of them. What are you doing to her? What are you doing? What? What are you wearing? Don't kill her, please.
Didn't mean to do that.
Oh, coffee. Oh, coffee.
Oh, Cheetos.
Oh, chicken. Coffee, Cheeto. Ow! Danny's dead. Help her. Quick. Holy shit, she made it. One more hit and she's gone. Oh, she's dead.
Uh-oh.
Well, that boss fight was for nothing. Whatever, we got lost. I missed. Ow!
Cut it out.
What are you doing?
Hey,
Oh, let me just heal
get
us.
up. Keep up.
You don't need to.
Hoof it.
Stand still.
We don't need to.
She doesn't want it.
Pwned, pwned, pwned. You got pwned.
Not on your life.
Ooh! You,
I'm
you
so
see that?
Paving a skull in with a fucking bucket.
Not on your life. Get pwned.
You just saved her fucking life by going
Yeah, I
through
did.
that door.
I did. And I got paid for it. Pwned. 15 grand? Sucks.
Okay, Mr. Moneybags.
Yeah, I got more money than you'll ever have. Case can't
Only
start
because I
yet, can
spend it on like cool things, like hats with propellers on them.
Huh.
Crayfish. On dull days, you're a crayfish.
So true.
But on your best days, you're a slayfish.
Slick.
Oh my god.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Is that Riz?
Uh-huh.
Nice. Whoa! That was fucking awesome! What the fuck? You stuck the chair onto the wall. Get cut up like sashimi.
I know what to do in this situation.
What's that?
Store won't hold me forever. And you see, this is what I was talking about. This is what would happen in a zombie apocalypse. Zombies would just, like, uselessly bash themselves against doors and nothing would happen. Instead of doing this. Ah! I'm frozen now, I can't move.
Anybody there?
If you do that, I'll shatter into a million pieces.
What the hell?
Get in here. We ain't got much time. You.
What are we waiting for?
We gotta go get Karate Kid.
Ow.
Hey, come on! I'm getting cardboard over here.
I'll just finish my spray paint and then I'll
Oh, a knife.
I just go sprint. I finish the spray paint.
Get you don't. That one's still loaded.
Hey!
What?
Welcome to the underground.
So true.
I'm making absolute monstrosities in here. What happened? No!
Sorry. My bad.
My contraption! No!
Sorry.
I was about to make the coolest fucking device ever. No!
Hey! Is anyone
I
out
can't-
there? This is a good one. Oh!
Wait, that's actually really good.
Leads.
I saw a postal cart driving around Royal Flush Plaza.
Wait, it's really,
Check
really
it
good.
out.
I've
There
never
might
used it
be
before.
Zombrex in one of those
Hey,
packages.
come.
Okay. You're so fast.
Wait, we might not have time. Unless she's right here, we might have to ditch her. Where is she? Where is she? Map. She's way too fucking far. She's way too far. Turn around. Turn around. Go back the way we came.
Okay. Real Flesh Plaza, where they sell flesh.
Oh, that's what the zombies call it these days.
Yeah.
Raw flush, rotten flesh.
True.
Wait, there's a maintenance room right here, and I didn't see it. Machete. Power drill. Oh, doesn't do anything. Hey, do you have a bucket?
No.
What's your famous bucket?
Sold it.
Oh,
I found a bucket.
nice. Put it on the table. Put it on the table.
Okay.
Yeah, that works.
I duplicated the power drill.
Nice. Now we have 2 power drills.
We have 3.
Now we have 3 power drills.
Check this out. Check this out.
Oh my god, that's awesome.
Ah! Do not go near this cart. Do not go near this cart. Do not go near this cart. Do not go.
I'm being eaten, help!
Ow! I'm being eaten. Help!
Help! Being eaten. Help! Help me!
Outlaw eaten.
I'm being eaten. Help!
I can't help.
I have 2 health left, help me!
What do you mean? Get
I'm gonna
out!
die, I'm being eaten!
Get out of it!
Oh yeah.
What? Do not go near that cart. Do not go near that cart. Do not go near that cart.
Cart?
Do not go near that. You're gonna see a cart. Don't go near it.
Okay.
We can go near that cart at a different time. But right now we're in the red. slaughtering. 1,000 zombies killed.
That's like Postal.
Handled. Get to Benny Jack's at the
What?
Americana fast.
I don't get it.
That's like Postal.
Why?
Because it's a postal cart.
Oh, right. Now that's a good barbecue ribs. Oh, I tried making an eating sound and I choked.
You gotta chew your food.
Chew? Chew!
Hey, Rebecca? You in here?
Crayfish wants to skip.
No, I don't.
Say that right there.
All right, Frankie West. You've been messing things up for me pretty good. Time for a little payback.
TK. Where the hell is she?
She's not real. She doesn't exist, idiot.
That money you cost me with your little game, Frank. $1 million by 7 o'clock.
How in the hell am I going to do that?
It's Fortune City, Frank. The land of riches. Get creative. Bring it to the show nightclub, and we might just let you see your little girlfriend again.
Who?
Don't you touch
Rebecca.
her.
Who's that?
Oh,
The Asian lady on the news.
Why would we care about her?
Frank.
She's our friend.
No, she's not. She's just some random reporter. It's her fault.
Well, she's
gonna
helping us
die.
get to the bottom of this mystery.
We can do it ourselves.
We're a good person. We want to save Rebecca.
Since when is Frank West a good person?
Since forever. He's covered
That
laws,
guy
you know.
was a nutcase. He says it's like he stands over the corpse of like a mentally ill person.
He's goofy.
Yeah.
Oh, gambling magazine. That's good. Since we I was gonna stay a bit longer, but since we started a new case,
Yeah.
You have to get enough money to save Rebecca. This city
Okay.
is full of cash. Do whatever you have to do.
Ah!
we saved. Yeah, we saved.